Far away, under the gentle morning sunlight, vast green fields stretch endlessly. In small villages nestled humbly at the foot of mountains, diligent farmers begin their new workday. The birds chirp happily in the trees, while the hurried footsteps of farmers head toward the fields, all blending into the peaceful melody of the countryside. But behind this tranquility lies a meticulous and challenging process. This year, the pumpkin season is the most important crop, and these farmers have poured their heart and soul into nurturing it, hoping for a bountiful harvest. Here, for generations, pumpkins have been a symbol of prosperity and luck. Not only are they a nutritious source of food, but pumpkins also carry each family's hope for a bountiful life. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's embark on a journey from sowing seeds, through months of care, until the moment these large, bright orange pumpkins are ready to be harvested. This isn't just a story about farming, it's a tale of patience, dedication, and a deep love for the land. The day of sowing pumpkin seeds isn't just another farming activity. For the farmers, it marks the beginning of a hopeful journey. They stand before the field, under the soft golden sunlight of early morning. Carefully and attentively, each tiny pumpkin seed is dropped into the fertile soil as if they are placing their trust and hopes into the earth. The elders in the village often say that sowing seeds is like planting faith. And with every seed gently pressed into the soil, they feel a deep connection to nature, to the heavens and the earth. Each pumpkin seed, though small, holds immense potential. They lie dormant in the ground, waiting for the first gentle rains and the warm rays of spring to begin sprouting. When the first tender leaves break through the soil, the farmers start their daily care routine, tending to them like their own children. Sweat trickles down their foreheads, and their footsteps tread softly on the supple earth. Each passing day sees the pumpkin plants grow stronger, yet they remain vulnerable to the harsh forces of nature. In every step, every daily task, the farmers aren't merely working for their livelihood. They are driven by their love for the land and their bond with every plant and blade of grass. There are nights when they worry about a heavy rain that might flood the fields, or scorching heat that could wither the delicate young plants. But their perseverance helps them overcome every obstacle, ensuring that the pumpkin plants remain lush and vibrant. And then, after months of waiting, under their meticulous care, the first pumpkin flowers begin to bloom. The bright yellow flowers, like little rays of sunlight, light up the vast green fields. A sense of pride fills the hearts of the farmers as they see these blossoms, a promise of an abundant harvest. Every pumpkin flower is a signal, a beacon that soon, large, plump pumpkins will emerge. But that's only the beginning. The days that follow are a continuous battle against the elements. The rainy season arrives, and sudden storms threaten to flood the fields. But the farmers are undeterred. They work together to build levees, dig drainage ditches, and protect each pumpkin plant from the rising waters. The entire field seems to beat in unison with their hearts. And every time they overcome a challenge, they feel even more connected to their crops. The first pumpkins start to appear. At first, they're small, green buds, but day by day, they grow larger, gradually turning a rich, vibrant orange. Each time the farmers witness their pumpkins swelling, they feel an indescribable joy, as if they themselves are growing alongside the plants. The day of the pumpkin harvest finally arrives. It's the moment every farmer has been eagerly awaiting, though it's not without a sense of anxiety. Only after the harvest can they truly know that their efforts for the entire season have paid off. As the first rays of dawn illuminate the fields, the farmers begin the process of gathering their rewards. They bend down, carefully cutting each pumpkin from its vine with sharp knives. The large, Round, golden pumpkins are gently placed onto carts. As they see the carts filling up with pumpkins, they smile brightly. It's a smile of happiness, of contentment after months of relentless hard work. There were moments when it seemed impossible to get through, but now, these pumpkins are living proof of their patience and dedication. The entire field buzzes with activity. Laughter and joyful chatter echo across the land. Groups of farmers work together, harvesting and sharing stories about the season. Their faces are lit with uncontainable joy as they see the fruits of their labor. For them, this isn't just a material gain but a source of pride and a belief in the power of hard work and unity. But the pumpkins' journey doesn't end at the fields. They continue on to the bustling local markets, where people eagerly await these treasures of the land. From the carts, the pumpkins are displayed on market stalls, each one shining with the promise of nourishment. The farmers, with their weathered hands, proudly present their products. They're not just selling a fruit, they're sharing a story, a tale of the long journey from seed to harvest. Shoppers come to buy the pumpkins, not just for their nutritional value, but because they understand the hard work behind them. Each pumpkin represents resilience, patience, and a love for the land. The harvest season ends, and the fields return to their empty state, but the joy and satisfaction linger in the hearts of the farmers. They've overcome countless challenges, protected their pumpkin plants, and now they stand proud of their achievements. Each season that passes only strengthens their love and connection to this land. The pumpkin season brings them not only income but also joy and belief in life's growth and renewal. And as the pumpkin season concludes, they begin preparing for new crops, with fresh hopes. But one thing is certain: the journey of growing pumpkins will always be an integral part of their lives. Let's take a moment to thank and appreciate the farmers of Asia, who bring us not just wonderful produce, but also a story of devotion to the earth. Thank you for watching all of our videos. Please give us one like, one share, one comment and one channel subscription.